This morning, Rohan woke up very hungry, so he ran to the kitchen to get something to eat. As he entered the kitchen, he saw his mother preparing kheer with dried raisins and almonds. While drinking the kheer, he noticed the raisins in it were swollen and hence bigger. Why were the raisins swollen in size? Let's find out. Raisin is a fruit composed of plant cells. Plant cells are enclosed by a cell wall and a cell membrane. The cell wall is permeable while the cell membrane is semi-permeable. Now, because the cell membrane is semi-permeable, only water molecules can move in and out of the membrane. This movement of water molecules is known as osmosis. So what happens when we put raisins in water? The concentration of the solution outside the raisin is lower than the concentration of the solution inside its cells. Such a solution is called a hypotonic solution. To balance the concentration of the solution inside the raisin with the concentration of the solution outside, water molecules move into the raisin through the cell wall and the cell membrane. Thus, the raisin begins to swell. But does this raisin swell and burst? Well, no. It swells until the concentration of the solution inside the raisin becomes equal to the concentration of the water outside. After this, there is no further movement of the water. Now, the concentration of the solution inside and outside the raisin is equal. Such a solution is known as an isotonic solution. What if we place this swollen raisin in sugar syrup? The concentration of sugar in the syrup is higher than it is in the raisin. Such a solution with a higher concentration of solute outside the cell is called a hypertonic solution. In order to maintain a balance between the concentration of the solution inside the raisin with the concentration of the solution outside, water moves out of the raisin. And this loss of water causes the raisin to shrink in size. That is why raisins shrink and swell when soaked in different solutions.